What is going on, my YouTube friends? So I'm out here and I am getting this fuse box prepared to switch all the wires from the original wiring harness to this fuse box. And I wanted to show you something that's going on here with the fuse box and pretty much give you an idea how these fuse boxes work if you don't already know, which a lot of you guys probably already know. So let's turn this around here and see what we got. So I'm getting this prepared, ready to switch over, all the wires from here over to here. So once I'm doing it, so I got all the wires pretty much pulled out except for a few of the heavier duty wires. And the reason why these are in here still because I haven't pulled them out yet, because I wanted to show you pretty much what's going on here. So if you look, you can see where you can hook the wires in here. So you can add more wires through your fuse box through here. And so this is a bridge. So with this bridge, and you got main power coming through here, so this you can hook wires to here, then that way you can go ahead and put a fuse in here with the wire coming out for the accessory that you want to use. And then that way you can add power to this accessory through this bridge right here. You see what I'm saying? And what I mean by bridge here, I'll show you this right here. This is what's down in there. This is what's right here, this is what's going across here. So you can always pull that out, and you can add wires to this, and you want to use a heavier duty wire because this is your main wire source. So this is a heavier duty wire than what, the rest of them are. Like say for this, we use this wire right here for an instant, which is this right here is a blue with a red line. That's usually like a radio light or something, so that right there, so you can attach that wire and it'll go to there as you plug your fuse in, so that way your main wire right here got the power going to it, then you can run the power out this right here, so to run another accessory or whatever you want to do, And I will save these because you never know when you might want to run another accessory. So it's good to have, these right here with the clips and everything. That way you can go ahead and hook the wires to this, so I'll keep those, like there's a wire, and that's what the clips look like. I showed you in the other video. And this right here has got the same thing. If you see the thicker wires, if you see down in there, you can see where they got the bridge in there. It goes across, you can see how the wires are hooked right to it. So that way when you hook your fuse to it, it'll run the power. So it saves, the fuse. So the fuse, when it pops, that means, you got a ground or something like that, or you can replace the fuse. These fuses do pop for no reason sometimes. But so, yeah, all I gotta do is finish taking these last couple of bridges out here and finish cleaning up the box a little bit. And then I'll start dissecting these and transfer them over to here. But probably not tonight. So, all right, let me get these other bridges out and I will bring you back. Alrighty, so I got these bridges out. So like I said, that pretty much just runs the power to the main wire. Comes in, and you put that in there. Once you put your fuse in there, it'll direct the power out this wire right here. There's magical unseen wire. But so this right here, you hook your fuse in there, then it'll direct the power across and down. So that way you can run another accessory off of this right here. And then, these are all the same. So you can run 3 or 4 off of that, 2 off of that, 2 off of that. So as you see, it was nice because I got all these out of here and I didn't break any of the clips because I was afraid I was going to break those clips in there and then have a real issue. So yeah, this is going to work out quite nice, But like I said, again, these bridges, they go in here, boop, so that way you can run more accessories. You just have to tie them to the wires in there, So yeah, I just figured I'd show you that. It's kind of neat, huh? So now, to get that, And the wire's hooked from this one to this one. That should be fun. Yeah. So that's good. We got all that pretty much. And like I said, this has got some bridges in there too. You can see right here. There's one there. You know. See it in there? Yeah, buddy. So, nope, I'm getting close. I'm getting those wires out. And like I said, I'll be doing them one at a time so I can transfer them over to there. Yeah, buddy. All right. This helps someone. And the nice thing about it is I can always come back to it and myself and see what I've done if I do get something mixed up. You know what I mean? So, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. I'm just kind of like, you know, going along with this wire harness here because everybody hates doing harnesses. They hate dealing with wiring. It's spaghetti. You know what I'm saying? So, but this right here, I'm hoping that this helps you out. So later on, if you want to add accessories and don't want to add, you know, a wire to your battery or whatever, kind of gives you an idea of what you can do here. Because, I mean, you can get to these fuse boxes pretty easily and, you know, unscrew them and then pull them out and flip them around. And if you want to run more accessories, you know what to do now. Because these bridges are always in there. So you'll always be able to hook to them. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. And until the next video, talk to y'all soon. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this.